Nestled in the French Basque countryside near Labastide-Villefranche, Hourré Farm House stands where an old barn once collapsed into its own ruin. Rather than erase that memory, the architects embraced it, transforming a collapsed roof into a living clearing of light, air, and possibility. Externally, the house retains the familiar mass of Basque vernacular, thick 70 centimeters stone walls repainted white and simple pitched roofs, honoring its rural identity. Internally, the collapsed roof remains open to the sky, and old doors have been reimagined as sliding glass windows that disappear into the walls, letting the seasons, animals, and light breathe through. The architects took a minimalist approach, intervening as little as possible and preserving existing structure, yet achieving generous ideas. The 80 centimeters thick, uninsulated stone walls act as thermal mass. In winter, sun heats the stones. In summer, they remain cool. A modern air-water heat pump warms the floors quietly. No mechanical ventilation needed. At the heart lies the former Escat's central space, now opened to sky, a living room under the forest. Around this clearing, sliding volumes open onto terraced outdoor rooms and courtyards. Outdoor spaces, like double-height southern terraces and an 80 square meters sunset terrace, become part of the home's spatial memory and daily rhythm. Light enters from above through the open roof and sliding doors, creating shifting constellations of brightness throughout the day and across seasons. Natural breathing is integral. No fans, no mechanical system needed. The architecture and stone walls manage airflow organically. The palette is humble yet rich. White-infused stone walls, polished concrete or wooden floors, and timber roof elements painted in spring leaf green, a living echo of the farmhouse's character. Interiors are generous in spirit. Moments like a 25 square meters bathroom become reading rooms or play spaces. Furniture is mutable. A staircase is bench, shelf, or bar. Function flows from use, not from labels. Each piece doubles, triples, adapts, from shelving to resting nook to gathering place, inviting inhabitants to invent daily life anew. The landscape is integral. Rosebushes 7 meters tall, bloom above an expansive terrace. Vegetation graces the southern buffer space, offering soft shade and summer freshness. Hourré Farm House is architecture in democracy, a structure that hands life back to landscape, seasons, and inhabitants. It teaches us that boundaries are best experienced when porous, walls when generous, and homes when alive to birds, blooms, and breath. In every hour of this house, something new sings.